All right, I'm going to test the ground controls on this. First, you turn it to. This is for the actual machine. This is for this controller. This is for the boom control. So we're going to do here. We're going to pop this out. Give it a second. All right. So right now the boom is down. We're going to push this button in. So that's if I were to go up to that area there. You can also move this too from down here. I'm not going to do that right now. You can swing side to side, but being down here, the whole thing moves. So it's really not recommended. You really want to be in the bucket to do that. But if somebody was in the bucket and there's somebody on the ground, you're going to have to change your connection from the boom to the machine for down here. If something were to happen, let's say the guy passes out or whatever, you're going to have to change this to here and then restart everything.